Tammy Slaton is no stranger to transformation. But this time, she isn't just shocking the world, she's inspiring it. After battling morbid obesity for years, overcoming countless health setbacks, and pushing through emotional and physical turmoil, the 1000lb Sisters star has reached a brand new milestone, undergoing and recovering from skin removal surgery. And according to fans, family, and even medical experts, Tammy has never looked or felt better. The TLC reality icon, once known for her 700-pound frame and oxygen tank, has emerged from the shadows of her past with a completely revitalized NSE of self. Her post-surgery reveal has sparked an outpouring of love and praise from fans across the globe, with social media lighting up in celebration of her incredible journey. It's not just a glow-up, it's a rebirth. Tammy's transformation didn't happen overnight. Viewers of the popular TLC show have watched her struggle with food addiction, toxic relationships, and repeated hospitalizations. But the woman who many thought would never walk again without assistance is now confidently showing off her new body in form-fitting outfits and smiling more freely than ever before. The dramatic removal of over 100 pounds of excess skin has not only changed her appearance but also her mindset. "I feel light," Tammy said in a recent interview. "Not just physically, but emotionally. It's like I've been carrying this version of me around for so long, and now she's finally gone." The road to surgery was long and riddled with roadblocks. Tammy had to lose significant weight before even qualifying for the procedure, and her journey wasn't without its fair share of emotional lows. At one point, fans feared she wouldn't survive her health battle after a life-threatening medical crisis landed her in a coma. But she beat the odds, pushed forward, and stayed committed to her weight loss goals. Her doctors have praised her tenacity, calling her recovery and mental shift nothing short of extraordinary. One surgeon involved in her skin removal procedure even admitted he was deeply moved by her perseverance. "Tammy didn't just lose weight," he said. "She gained her life back." The surgery itself was intensive. Lasting several hours, doctors removed the excess skin around her arms, abdomen, and thighs, skin that had once been stretched for years due to her previous weight. It was a risky operation, but Tammy faced it head-on. Following the procedure, she was monitored closely for complications, but her healing process has gone surprisingly well, shocking even her closest friends and family. Fans got their first glimpse of Tammy's new look through a TikTok video that quickly went viral. Clad in a fitted pink blouse and a pair of snug jeans, Tammy confidently walked toward the camera with a huge smile on her face. Gone was the shy, hesitant woman of earlier seasons. In her place was someone glowing with confidence, determination, and freedom. "I can't believe this is the same Tammy we met in season 1, one fan commented. "She's come so far, and I am so proud of her." Another added, "This is what true strength looks like." She deserves all the happiness in the world. Tammy's family has also noticed the change, not just in her body, but in her spirit. Her sister Amy, who has gone through her own transformation journey, recently took to Instagram to express her pride. "Tammy, you are absolutely killing it," Amy wrote. "You inspire me every single day. Keep going, sis." Amy's support means the world to Tammy, especially considering their rocky relationship in the past. The Slaton sisters have clashed many times over the years, with Amy often taking on a caregiver role and voicing frustration over Tammy's unwillingness to change. But now, the dynamic has shifted. Tammy's newfound independence and strength have brought the sisters closer than ever. It's not just her appearance that's changed. Tammy has begun engaging in activities she once thought impossible, like hiking trails, taking selfies without filters, and even going on casual dates. "Before, I used to sit back and watch life happen," she said. "Now, I'm living it." Despite the excitement, Tammy has also been transparent about the emotional weight of her journey. In a heartfelt post on social media, she opened up about the moments of self-doubt, the pain of letting go of unhealthy habits, and the anxiety that came with exposing her new self to the world. "I was scared people wouldn't accept the new me," she admitted. "But what I've learned is that self-love is the most important kind of acceptance. Once you have that, everything else follows." Her openness has endeared her to fans even more. Rather than portraying a fairy tale ending, Tammy is showing that real change is raw, complex, and sometimes painful. But it's worth it. Her story is resonating with thousands of people battling similar issues. Online support groups and fan pages are filled with stories from viewers who were inspired to start their own weight loss journeys after watching Tammy's progress. "It's not just entertainment anymore," said a longtime fan from Texas. Tammy's story has become a symbol of hope. TLC producers have hinted that the upcoming season of 1000 LB Sisters will delve deeper into Tammy's surgery and its aftermath. Viewers can expect never-before-seen footage of her recovery, emotional discussions with her family, and perhaps even the beginning of a new romantic chapter in her life. Rumors are already swirling that Tammy may be seeing someone new, although she's keeping that under wraps for now. Her skin removal surgery has also opened doors to new opportunities. Tammy is reportedly in talks to become a motivational speaker, sharing her journey at wellness events and possibly even writing a memoir. Fans have flooded her comment sections with pleas for a book, asking her to document every raw detail of her rise, from bedridden to bold. She's also dabbling in fashion, something she never imagined herself doing. "For the first time, I can wear clothes because I like them, not just because they fit," she said. Recently, she posted a selfie in a fitted dress and leather jacket, prompting a flurry of heart eye emojis and supportive messages from followers. "Tammy, you are glowing," one fan gushed. "You've never looked more alive." Through it all, Tammy remains humble. "I didn't do this to be famous," she said. "I did this to live. I did this for me." But in doing it for herself, she's ended up changing lives around her. Health professionals say her story serves as an example of what's possible when long-term goals are met with patience, support, and relentless determination. It's a message that resonates deeply in a world full of overnight transformation promises and quick fixes. Tammy Slaton's journey reminds us that real change is earned, not given. And while there may still be challenges ahead, one thing is clear: Tammy has turned the page. This new chapter of her life isn't defined by her past but driven by her vision for the future. Whether she's posing confidently in front of a mirror, spending quality time with her family, or simply enjoying the breeze during an outdoor walk, Tammy's glow comes not just from her weight loss, but from her rediscovered sense of worth. Her skin may have been removed, but it's the layers of self-doubt, fear, and regret that have truly been shed. And now, in her most radiant form yet, Tammy Slaton is stepping into the light. Fans aren't just cheering her on, they're standing beside her, inspired, empowered, and deeply moved by the woman who dared to fight for her life and won. From the depths of despair to the heights of hope, Tammy Slaton has reached her new high, and it's just the beginning. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.